guys, it's your girl Iffy, aka Voxel, and I'm back with another video. So guys, guess what? I'm this close, like literally this close to 5K subscribers, and I wouldn't have got there without you guys. So thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, like if you're just watching me from this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel because I'm this close to 5K, and I'm thinking about doing a 5K giveaway, but let's see if I actually get there, you know. Let's see how quick I can get there. I'm trying to get to 5K by my birthday, and my birthday is July 13th. So let's see if I can get there. Hopefully I could. If not by my birthday, then definitely before August. So yeah, if you guys want to give me a birthday gift, that's my birthday gift. Get me to 5K. So yeah. But yeah, I'm looking down at my laptop because y'all, I finally got my setup. Like, I got my laptop connected to my computer. I got my laptop connected to my camera. So yeah, I'm looking at myself, and like, I feel like this is so much better because I could see myself. How do I look? But anyways guys, I know you've seen the title on this video, so let's get right into it. The wig that I'll be installing for today's video is from Sogoodhair. They sent me a pack of goodies that included a wig cap, a pair of lashes that I'm probably not gonna wear, a silk wrap, and also some clips, some earrings, and elastic band. This wig is a 13x4 lace front wig. It is 100% human hair, and also the lace is light brown. They also have transparent lace, which you can choose. The wig came pre-plucked and it was also bleached, but of course I went in and bleached it on my own, and I also plucked it. As you can see, my plucking skills are impeccable. Also, this is a 14-inch curly bob, and it is 150% density. So the first thing I did was use some alcohol to clean up any excess makeup that was on my forehead. Then I went ahead and put some makeup on my cap because I realized like it was a little bit too light, but I forgot to put the skin protectant on my skin, so I did that right after, just to create a barrier between my skin and the glue. I let that dry for a bit, and then I went in with the goat glue. This glue is from Damian Flagler on Instagram. She's also a hairstylist and she sells this hair glue, and she sent it to me. She didn't really like give me any instructions or whatever, but you know, I was like, let me just promote or whatever. So this is my first time using glue on myself, but I did use this glue previously on two of my friends just to test it out and get a feel for it. And honestly, like, this glue is probably like the hardest glue that I've ever used because it's so like tricky in the sense that when you apply the glue, if you're not careful, like the glue could literally get everywhere because it's just so sticky, and like even spreading it out wasn't the easiest. Like, this took mad long, but I had to speed it up for the sake of the video. But yeah, see, as you saw there, like, it just, I don't know what to call that, but it just, you saw how the glue like pulled away a little bit. It's like really sticky. I don't know the word for it. I can't think of the word for it right now, but it's just really sticky. And when I use Bold Hold or like Hold Me Down from Erica J, it doesn't really do that. So I'm like, if this glue is so sticky, I might as well like blow dry it before I add another layer, just to make sure that the tackiness of the glue doesn't seep through my lace or whatever. And I only did 2 layers because I didn't think 3 layers of this glue was necessary because it's so sticky. So once the first layer dried, well, I felt like it was dry. I'm not really sure if it was dry, but I was too scared to touch it because I didn't want it to like mess up from me touching it. So I just blow dried it for like a minute, and then I put the second layer on and I smoothed that out. But yeah, this glue is type sticky, but it's literally clear the entire time, so I guess that's like a plus. You don't have to wait for it to turn clear because it already comes out clear, but you do have to wait for it to dry at least completely, at least, because it's very, very sticky. And then once I put this layer, well, once I was finished with this layer, I went ahead and blow dried it for like a minute. Once I was done blow drying it, I then applied the wig on top of the glue. At this point, I was kind of upset with myself because that side right there, it kind of got stuck to the glue before I was able to place it. So I had to like lift it up. But when I lifted it up, it was mad glue already on the lace. So I'm like, yeah, I just have to go over this with the blow dryer again to make sure that it's completely dry, because I do not want this to mess up. Like, I'm recording on camera. This needs to be perfect. You feel me? So then I went ahead and I cut the lace off, but I don't cut straight. I cut in a jagged motion, as you can see here. Like, I'm not cutting straight across. I'm cutting in a zigzag type of motion, because when you cut straight across, it kind of ends up looking weird or whatever. Yeah. And over in like the corners by my ears, I guess I put too much. I guess I brought the glue too far down. So it's either I brought the glue too far down, or this wig wasn't big enough for my big head. But honestly, it's probably my fault. But anyways, it's probably the fact that I got some long ass sideburns. But anyways, I ended up leaving the lace on top of the glue in the corner because I didn't want the glue to just be exposed like that. But I just ended up putting my I ended up just covering it with the baby hairs on the corner. So we're green over here, y'all. We good. If you mess up your install, you can always fix it. Best believe it's always a way to fix it. And that's what we here for. We here to make mistakes and fix them. And that was my mistake. But you'll see that I fixed it, because anything is possible. So once I was done cutting the lace off, I went ahead and put makeup on the front of the lace. But I only put a little bit because I knew that after I took my makeup off my face, that if I had put too much makeup on the lace, that it would be way too dark. And I know whenever I buy foundation, I always get half a shade darker than me, because I be wanting to look chocolate, baby. Like, I want to look like a milk dud when I do my makeup, because why would I look regular with makeup on? But I assure you that my makeup, what am I saying? I assure you that the lace definitely matched with my skin once I took my makeup off, and I will show you guys right here. As you can see, my lace is very much melted without my makeup on. But back to scheduled programming. So yeah, I'm currently doing my edges, and I'm about to go wild because this glue was giving me headaches, man. Like, when I tried to pull the hair out to do the baby hairs, I guess the glue got on the lace. I don't know. If you ever use this glue, comment down below and let me know what experiences you have with this glue. But I just took some rubbing alcohol and I ended up like rubbing some of the glue away, because you know alcohol takes glue out or whatever. So I just rubbed some of the glue off that spot so that the hair could lay flat or whatever. And then I went in with my tweezers and plucked some of the baby hair so that it wasn't too thick when I went to lay it with some Nairobi foam. And as you can see on this side, it was more glue. Like, it was mad glue on this side. It was a madman thing, yeah. Let me stop trying to have this accent. But anyway, like, it was crazy on this side, so I had to get some more alcohol and rub it off. But as you can see, like, that is a perfect part for baby hairs. Like, even though the glue was giving me some trouble, I still was able to finesse, you feel me? Because that's just what I do, you feel me? I just finesse. One thing I will say about this glue though is that no matter how much wrapping foam you put on the lace, it will not lift. I know with Bow Toad and like other glues, it lifts a little bit, but this glue, it will not lift at all, bro. I'm telling you, because I put mad foam on the edges just to mold it the way I wanted it to look, and y'all, it was not lifting at all, like at all. Hey guys, I know this is totally unrelated to the topic of this video, but I really just wanted to discuss the state of this world. Like, as everyone knows, we're currently going through a crisis, and a crisis of police brutality. It's not a new crisis. Like, racism is not a new idea. These things have been going on for hundreds of years, and at this point in time where we're going through a pandemic, everyone's home, like everyone everyone feels defeated. So then you're gonna add police brutality to all that, and it's just like, we had enough. Black people had enough. We had enough of the senseless killing. We just had enough of not being heard by the government, not being heard by people who are supposed to protect us. And this is the outcome of that. This is the outcome of hundreds and hundreds of years of not being heard. And now black people are protesting, black people are rioting, black people want justice. We want justice because we're just simply tired of not being heard. And Black Lives Matter. I don't care what nobody say. I don't care what your racist aunt, uncle, mom, daughter, brother, sister, whoever racist. I don't care what any racist person has to say, because I just feel like racist people have no common sense. Because how could you hate somebody for the color of their skin? What exactly did they do to you for you to hate them? Like, what exactly did black people do to a white person for them to hate us for the color of our skin? Like, it just doesn't make sense. So I feel as though racist people don't have common sense, and it's clear because Donald Trump is a racist and he's the president. And does he ever make sense? No. So racist people don't have common sense, and that's my stance. And clearly, because why are you oppressing people because of the color of their skin, when clearly the color of your skin has nothing to do with your mental capacity? It has nothing to do with anything. The color of your skin does not determine how you should be treated compared to another race. So that's my stance on Black Lives Matter. If you want to riot, if you want to protest, do what you got to do for your voice to be heard. Not only can you protest and riot, but you can also vote, and you can also donate. Just make sure you're out there doing something that will better the black community. You don't want to be a black body doing nothing. So once I was done with the baby hairs, I ended up cutting the hair a little bit shorter just to get the look that I was going for. I really wanted to cut it into a pixie cut, but I didn't want to mess up the cut because of course I was cutting it on my own head, and I'm not really that good with cutting hair on my own head, so I didn't want to mess the hair up. So yeah, I just cut it a little bit above my shoulders, and this hair is like super soft. Like, I just can't believe it's this soft. I know curly hair is soft, but like this curly hair is dumb soft. And for it to be 100% human hair, I'm not sure. I believe it's virgin. I believe, but it said 100% human hair. This hair is mad soft. Like, I just can't believe it. And all I did was spray some water on it. The water had a little bit of leave-in conditioner in it, but yeah, I sprayed water on it, and then I used a lot of body wrapping, whatever, setting foam, and I just put mad foam on the hair just so that it could keep its shape. I wanted it to be a really slicked back type of look, that wet look. So I made sure that it was drenched with the foam, because that's the only way you're gonna get that slick look. So this is the final look, guys. Let me know how I did. Comment down below if you like this wig, if you would purchase this wig. Y'all, this wig was only $85. Plus, you could use my code voxel 10 for 10% off. So that's like, let me do my math, like $75 for this hairstyle, y'all. Like, you can't beat that. So before this video ends, I just want to thank you for getting this far in the video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Thank you for being subscribed to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.